In today's video, I am going to teach you how to connect Squarespace website to Instagram shopping. To begin, open your Squarespace website dashboard and make sure you are signed in to the correct site. This is important if you manage more than one website, because the Instagram connection and product sync will apply to the site you are currently viewing. Once you are inside the main Squarespace dashboard, look for the settings area. This is where Squarespace keeps the main tools for managing your site connections, account integrations, and other setup options. Click Settings to open the Settings menu. Take a moment to let the page load, especially if your dashboard has several options available. You are looking for the section that allows Squarespace to connect with outside platforms. On the left side of the Settings area, find Third-Party Tools. This section is used for services that work with your website but are not built directly into Squarespace. Click Third-Party Tools, and then look for Connected Accounts. This is the area where you can link external accounts to your Squarespace website. Connected accounts can be used for social media, content sharing, and e-commerce-related integrations, depending on which platform you choose. Since the goal here is to connect your website to Instagram shopping, this is the correct place to begin the Instagram connection process. Once you are on the Connected Accounts page, look for the option that says Connect Account. Click Connect Account to open the list of available platforms. From the list, select Instagram. This tells Squarespace that you want to connect your Instagram account to your website, so the two platforms can communicate with each other. After selecting Instagram, a login window or prompt should appear. Log into the Instagram account that you want to connect to your Squarespace website. Be careful to use the correct Instagram account, especially if you manage personal accounts and business accounts from the same device. For privacy and security, never share your login details on screen, and avoid saving or displaying sensitive information during the setup process. After logging in, follow the prompts that appear. Squarespace and Instagram may ask you to confirm permissions so the connection can be completed. These prompts are part of the normal setup process. Read each prompt carefully and continue through them as directed. During this process, you may also need to confirm that your Instagram account is a professional account. For Instagram shopping, your Instagram account needs to be set up as either a business account or a creator account. If your account is not already a professional account, the prompts may guide you through updating it. This matters because Instagram shopping features are not designed for regular personal accounts. A professional account gives Instagram the tools it needs to display shopping-related content and connect with products from your website. Once the prompts are complete, your Instagram account should be connected to Squarespace. At this point, you have created the account connection, but there is still one more important area to check. The connection itself links the platforms, while the product sync setup helps Squarespace send your store products to the tools used for Facebook and Instagram commerce. Now navigate to the Selling section in Squarespace. This is where Squarespace keeps the settings related to your online store, products, and sales channels. Inside Selling, look for products on Facebook and Instagram. This area is specifically used to manage product syncing for Meta platforms, including Instagram shopping. Open products on Facebook and Instagram, and follow the setup shown there to complete the product sync. This final part helps make sure your Squarespace products are connected properly for use with Facebook and Instagram shopping features. Depending on your store and account status, Squarespace may show prompts, confirmations, or additional setup messages. Follow those on-screen instructions until the product sync setup is complete. After the sync is finished, your Squarespace website is connected to Instagram, and your products are prepared for use with Instagram shopping. If anything does not appear right away, give the system a little time to update, since product connections and commerce settings can sometimes take a moment to process. That covers everything you need to know.